It's alright, you want to help out?
Yeah. Are you taking a video?
Uh-huh.
Oh. Okay.
You got it?
Yeah. Can I try to stay on the red line?
Sure. Careful, because it's not really flat.
Okay.
There's bumps in it sometimes.
Whatever. I gotta walk over. The bumps in the road. Without me.
There you go.
7 minutes. 6. One. Oh, that's fast. 1 minute. I gotta get to the interview.
You got it by yourself. Okay, now go this way.
I gotta get to that one now, but I don't have minutes.
It's alright. Come on. That's not minutes, it's a scoreboard, but keep going.
Well, I'm trying to minutes.
Oh, okay. Bend your knees a little bit. Like this. There you go. And then push out. And then you can glide on the skate like that. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Good job.